Hi. So, welcome to my channel. I know, I have taken a very long time to upload my second content. I was like, Arey yaar, why I'm so busy all the day? And when I used to be free, I was like, yaar, why I'm so idle all the day? And yeah, 1.5 year have been passed by saying these kind of things. Now, I thought that let's start again. I mean, it's not that tough to start anything again. That's why I thought that I should welcome you guys again to my channel. It's heavily summer outside, so I decided to make a summer self-care video. In summer, taking care of ourselves in extra is very important because weather is hot outside and we remain outside for a very long time in a day. Let's start the video now. So here I'm taking my methi mixture oil. I preserved it almost 1 week ago and it can be any coconut oil. You know, when you add methi in your regular oil, it has the most effortless benefit for our hair. It's a healthy food actually for our hair. In summer, actually our hair damages a lot because we sweat a lot, and for these we need to shampoo our hair regularly, which makes our scalps more dry. So it's important to have a hair massage. It's better to apply the oil at night and leave it for the whole night. It's even much better if you can apply hot oil in your hair once in a week. So I have very long hair, so it took approximately more than 15 minutes to oil my hair properly. I normally do it at night, but I forgot this time. That's why I'm applying it now. I'll take my shower after 2 or 3 hours from now and I will clear my hair with shampoo. Trust me, if you do this twice a week for 2 months regularly, you will feel that there is no necessity to apply any conditioner in hair. Shampooing in oily hair makes the hair naturally smooth and soft. So, yeah. So, okay, you are taking care of your hair and you are not taking care of your face. The face will be sad now. So, here is the face massager home remedy. So, for doing face massage, I took a tablespoon of yogurt and half tablespoon of honey. You can add multani mati also, but as my face is very dry, I always skip multani mati. But if your face is oily, and you can make the similar mixture adding just 1 tablespoon of multani mati. Now I will mix it properly. Well, the funny part is it has become a sweet food. If your mood gets changed, you can eat it. Now it's ready to apply in face. I will apply it with a brush. Okay, now talking about the benefits, both yogurt and honey moisturizes our face very well and makes it very glowy and softy. After applying it all over the faces, I will give it a hand massage. Regular face massage makes the skin tighter and improve the overall appearance of our face. It also improves the skin blood circulation. We can do this 2 or 3 times a week. It's not compulsory, guys, to use honey and yogurt. You can also use olive oil for the face with normal water and it has become more soft. Oh my god, all the dryness has just disappeared. Yeah, I'm so happy with the result. Okay, so last part now. I made a mixture with besan and yogurt. Both yogurt and besan are 1 spoon. I mixed it very well. It's actually for removing the suntan, cause besan is really useful as a tan removal item. You can use few drops of lemon juice with besan and yogurt. I skip lemon juice as it doesn't suit on my skin. I have itchiness with lemon juice. I'm applying it on my both hands because my hands are the biggest enemy of sun, trust me. They easily get tanned. My lucky part is my face doesn't get tanned, so I'm not applying it over my face, but you can undoubtedly use it over your face. Okay, now I'm done with applying. Now I just washed my hand. Result is okay, but you have to continue this process for some weeks. Okay, bye.